The history of St Vincent's, I suppose it's probably something it's hard to sum up in just a few short words. I suppose it goes back to the Christian Brothers, where it was founded here in Marino. There'll be a lot of names that'll be synonymous with the GAA going back through the years in Dublin, from Kevin Heffernan to Brian Mullins to Mickey Whelan and Jimmy Keaveney and the likes. It was a tough decision to retire from inter-county football. I'd been lucky enough to be part of the Dublin panel for over 10 years, and I suppose I was at a stage in my career where I was conscious I wanted to give something back to the club. The other big thing is probably just being around the club lads all the time. When you're with the county, you very rarely get to train with the club team.
Pushing Tomas Quinn, Spurs and Quinn. August Cool, Tomas Quinn.
I'm kind of getting a little bit older, and you're trying to keep up with some of the younger lads. You buy into things a little bit more than maybe you did when you were younger. You were able to just go out and just play, I suppose. Whereas I'm probably trying a couple more things just to try and stay up to speed. Sometimes it's a cliche used when you're talking about GA teams, you're only as strong as your squad. We've all bought into it this year that it has to be a squad effort, and we've had to prove it in games, and we've come through games, and even in the semi-final we had a couple of guys missing against Ballinderry and we still came through it. We were there in 2008. We were lucky enough to experience that, and in terms of leading up to the game, what we have to deal with. And I think our squad at the moment is very level-headed anyway. We haven't let any of it get to us so far. I don't see it being an issue going into this game, and we're just, if you can't look forward to a game like this, then you're not playing football for the right reasons,